Hi everyone, so today I'll be showing you how to unlock your OVO Smart Lock with the OVO Smart app from anywhere you are in the world using the OVO Smart app. So once your visitor rings the bell when they arrive, a notification will pop out on your OVO Smart app. Once it pops out on your OVO Smart app, you tap on it and then your visitor's picture will show on the OVO Smart app. If it's not the visitor that you are expecting, you can swipe to the red to decline. But if it is a visitor you are expecting, you can swipe to the right, the green button, to accept, and then the door unlocks automatically. I'll be showing you how to create a temporary code using the OVO Smart app for your visitor that wants to stay for 1 month or 1 day or 1 year, so that once they arrive, they can unlock using the code, and then you can delete them at any given time using the OVO Smart app too in the next clip. Thank you everyone.